That is okay.
It's cooking. It's even case. Yes, ne case this is akube yaku akuze keze yorota.
Even under Ghana akube na keziota.
Ne keziota.
Ofu abuye bi.
Ama kwa mo neni an ivure.
Udia.
Ye wa dey ready for sale. These are all these ones are raw ones. Raw ones. The one I can just see. You see? That we age grande scale agent. Let's hear. Away.
We did away good.
We did away good, yes. They go Russia.
Some inside this. Multi-million naira business.
Now. Huge amount of money. See all these small one. You can see small thing inside. This is the raw one. As you can see this one, and this one is approximately 30 million, as what you are seeing here. You can count the stone, one to this extent.
With you, here they buy up to 100 million naira.
Yes, now. It's a huge one. We recover it. We recover all of them in Oka and the balance. The one we cover at Onitsha is still there. Maybe by Monday. Yeah, on a dark over and Onitsha. These ones are only Oka and the balance. Yeah, just previously, the ones we recover previously, and all the major bank in Oka and the boroughs. This one is ordinary Igbo. All these ones are drug are inside. You see, this one is loud. Okay?
Yeah, Scottish loud.
Scottish loud. Okay, this one is special one. See ordinary Igbo here. See ordinary Igbo. These ones are ordinary Igbo.
Within 3 months.
This is the men of the anti-terrorist squad, Oka Command. These are drugs recovered from dealers and smokers within Oka and environs. So the director and anti-terrorist squad want to set them ablaze so that it will not go back to the society. Because setting them ablaze can never go back to the society. So we have to set them ablaze. So this is to show that anyone who is in Oka and Onitsha as a whole, please remove your hand from drugs. Drugs is not good, as you can see. Remove your hand from drugs.
Say no to dancing. If you see something,
say something.
Are we good to go?
Good to go, good to go, good to go, sir.
Are we motivated?
Motivated, sir.
No more drugs, no more touting in Anambra State. If you must do it, you relocate. Yes. If you must do it, you relocate from Anambra.
Yes.
Go to other states. If they allow you to do it there. But don't do it in Anambra. Yes. Once we get you, we burn them so that they will not go back to the society. That is our primary aim. They will not go back to the society. That's why we are burning them completely. Because this is the root cause of touting. You cannot be a without taking drugs. You cannot be a without taking drugs. Yes. So it is drug is the root cause of touting. We don't want it in Anambra State. Special anti-touting squad of Anambra State say no to
drugs and
drugs.
Oh, kike metu mbao anokona me kike metu kawo red just metu na nylon metu na nylon moyo ku na nylon wayo two forever. Watch your face. You can see it has been set ablaze so that it will not go back to the society. The drugs have been set ablaze. Ya dere na akwụkwọ ya titati n'aka mmụọ nsọ nyere anyị aka ka anyị ga-eme ya akwụkwọ soludo ya dere na akwụkwọ ya titati n'aka mmụọ nsọ nyere anyị aka ka anyị ga-eme ya say no to touting. Say no to touting.
If you see something,
Say something.
are we good to go?
Good to go, good to go, good to go, sir.
Are we motivated?
Motivated, sir.
Can see the men of the anti-touting squad.
If you fear,
You die.
if you don't fear,
You die.
all die, I die.
That's so.
My name is Mr. Onwemondo, the MD of Sasa.
Okay.
Anti-touting squad of Anambra State.
Okay, we can see going on at your back. Can you tell us what is going on here?
Yes, these are the illicit drugs we recovered from Oka and Vanons previously. So we started to burn them so that they will not go back to the society. The people were arrested, we handed them over to the drug law enforcement agency, and some of the drugs were arrested with some of the pendulums. And these ones are the ones we recover with our suspects. So we need to burn them, because if we didn't burn them, they will go back to the society again. We're doing it, and they will continue to do it until we get rid of drugs. Because actually, drugs is the root cause of touting. Nobody being touting without being in possession of the drug. So that's why we are trying to eradicate and get rid of touting in Anambra State.
Okay, can you tell us some of the drugs here?
I cannot mention all of them, but what I know is, you see, they have a cocaine, the one they call it Burumri, Turkish loud, and the Ghana loud, and the one they call Igbo. You see by yourself. No type, all kinds of illicit drugs are here. Even Tramadol had ones.
And if from what you see here, how much you will say that this thing could cost?
For something to 50 million, you can see it. It's very expensive something. We see a small thing like this. They are measuring it just like a goat. People that are selling this thing and people selling good, they call it the same thing because they do measure it. Small thing, you buy it in very, very, very costly, cost money. So you can see by yourself. You can estimate at about 40 to 50 million in what we just burned down.
Okay, finally, the Anambra and the governor of Anambra State is happy with what Sasa is doing. What's the message you have for the people of Anambra State and the governor? And finally, what is the message you have for people still peddling drugs in the state?
Okay, the message I have to the people of Anambra State is, whenever they see something, let them say something. You cannot do it by yourself. Call Sasa. Sasa will help you to do it. Because when we get rid of all these things, your children, the youth will be out of it. Because if you when you are training your children and they start taking drugs, automatically the child will be useless in the old age. So for governor is trying. Governor is trying, and we are just doing all this things to get his mandate. The Governor Soludo government did not tolerate any kind of criminality. If you see, criminals and all those robbery, kidnappers are being possession of drugs before they start shooting people anyhow. So the people, the pendulars as well, they need to relocate to Anambra if they must do it. Or they repent. They go and look for a legitimate business to do. Or you relocate. If you must do it, you relocate from Anambra. Go to another state. If they allow you, do it there. Thank you.
Thank you. Finally, let's hear the song.
I give me Hokuke Soludo. Iya hodere na kukonya tita tunaka. Monso yera nyaka. I give me
Hokuke Soludo. Iya hodere na kukonya tita tunaka. Monso yera nyaka. I give me